recognized with someone by your work, like in the market or in the party or anywhere that someone asked you that, hey, I have watched your videos, you are Saraswati ma'am, something
So far,
happened
I
like
am not
this
so
ever?
much famous on YouTube channel. I think so. No one recognizes me.
Means even in your family members or friend circle,
I have never
no, they
disclosed
don't
this
know.
thing in my friend
Oh,
circle. Yes, my family member knows well that I
but
am
why
doing this
not?
thing.
Because you are on air, so
Hmm.
anybody could watch your videos and can contact
But I have
you.
never told this
Give
thing to
you
any of
okay,
my friends so far. Even my close
okay,
friends
fine.
also.
Are you really enjoying the process that you are
Yes,
working
I
on
am
learning
really
English
enjoying
and
this
teaching?
process because this is my passion, and
Great.
otherwise I have no any type of compulsion to learn and to speak
Mhm.
this language.
Any
Only
role
because
model?
role model.
Any role
Uh,
model in terms
uh,
of learning English that you follow,
I do
whom
not
you
follow
follow
any of
actually?
the role models, to be very honest, because yes, I watch videos, English content just to improve my English, but not
Okay.
continuously every single day. I
Mhm.
watch or listen to TED Talks or some
TED
native
Talks, yes.
speakers
Mhm.
to improve my English. Because when we listen to these types of podcasts, so we
Mhm.
come across with various vocabulary, sentence structures, and even we also watch uh, language and expressions,
Yes, yes, yes. Facial
intonation.
expression, yes,
Yes,
intonation, eye contact,
yes,
gestures, body language, and all,
yes.
everything. Tonality as well, right?
Hmm.
Okay. Uh, do you study, ma'am? Do you read books? Do you read books?
Earlier, I was not reading, and so far I have completed only 5 books in that 2 years.
Five books.
Before that, I never
Okay.
into reading. I never read any of the books before started my journey. Yes,
Mhm.
I read my daughter's book because I taught
Because you
her
have to
since
teach her.
Montessori up to eighth
Okay.
grade. So all books I read, and
So means you played a role where you are equally her teacher and mother. You played a double role, I think,
I
for your
I
daughter.
played various roles: teacher,
Various roles.
mother, daughter, and friend,
Oh,
sibling also,
yes.
because my daughter has no siblings, so I'm also her
No
sibling.
siblings.
Yes,
Okay. Wow. Fine.
yes,
Uh, we talked a lot about your daughter. Mhm.
yes.
Okay. Fine. So coming back to your journey, you worked hard to improve your communication skill in English.
Hmm.
So, what all difficulties were that you felt that these are main problem that I need to overcome in terms of learning this language?
Actually, I faced all types of difficulties because as I am from Hindi background and I completed
Okay.
my entire education several years ago, and there is a huge gap, around 15 years of gap, and in that gap I never came across any English stuff. So it was
Hmm. Okay.
really very challenging, difficult for
Hmm.
me to recall everything, but because of my passion, I did this and I am doing this so far.
You're
Yes.
doing this. Okay. So
Yes.
you enrolled yourself in English Yari,
Hmm.
and you have attended many of its
Yes.
sessions.
Yes.
Okay. So who is your I'm not going to ask you who is your favorite trainer. It would
Uh,
wrong to say because
uh,
everyone is putting their efforts very hard in
uh,
terms of nourishing their
yes.
candidates.
Hmm.
But what do you really enjoy being with any tutor on English, Shari?
First, as I
Means
have
their teaching process or the method they put you in to check you, to examine you.
See,
Please, I want to know. Yes. Mhm.
one time I took a session with Gopalan sir, and I
Mhm.
wanted to take one session with Gopalan sir. Why? Because I watched one of his videos with another YouTuber, and in that
Oh,
video he was teaching and telling a tongue twister. And the way he was telling that tongue twister, it
mhm.
attracted me a lot. And only due to
Interesting.
that reason, I wanted to take a session with him.
Gopalan sir. Okay,
Okay, but
fine.
after that, taking that session, I really impressed by his way of teaching. And I
Exactly,
decided
exactly.
I am going to
Mhm.
take all of my sessions with this tutor.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
He has abundance of knowledge regarding
Hmm.
everything.
Yes.
Life lessons, English contents, idioms and phrases,
Hmm.
word powers, and so many tactics. He knows how to teach a
That is
person
different
according
thing.
to
But
their
you know,
ability.
after connecting with him, earlier I had a great fear to connect and to speak with different tutors or learners.
Mm. He made you so comfortable that
Hmm.
you could open up your full strength, full capacity.
Yes.
That's a wonderful thing, I would say. Okay, fine. Up,
Follow four principles of learning English LSRW. But I
okay.
think
Mhm.
that the speaking part is must. When you want to gain
Yes, must
fluency, you must have to open your
speak.
mouth. You have
Exactly.
must have to speak every single day.
Every single day. Yeah,
Yes.
exactly. Unless or until you speak, then your mouth muscle will not get used to how to speak,
Hmm.
how to pronounce a word, or how to comfortable in speaking to anyone. So it
Hmm.
is necessary. Though all concepts are okay. LSRW, listening is also important. Thing in order to learn this language and. Reading as well, because when you read out loud, then it gives you confidence that how are you pronouncing a word,
Yes.
it is right or wrong. And if you feel that I'm doing mistakes, then you check it. And LSRW
At least one paragraph or two paragraph. It depends on my time.
means you left no stone unturned
Yes, to
to
reach up
to
this level of fluency.
yes, to reach up to this
Yes.
level. I must appreciate your effort that you did everything that you could do
Yes.
to reach this level.
Hmm.
And yes, I can say that still we have to uh, go long,
Yes.
because learning a language is a lifelong process, because every single day you learn something, and the next day you feel that, oh, I have to learn a lot because my level is not up to the mark. This is
Hmm.
a very good thing, because you will be stagnant unless you try new things every single day. It's a wonderful thing. I can see on the screen, ma'am, only
3
3 minutes I
minutes are
left.
left. It was really lovely talking to you, the way you raised different types of questions. And I think you already have prepared lots of questions for me to ask.
Uh, I'm not, ma'am. It was a random session. It is a random session, though,
Yes.
because when you texted me that
Hmm.
we need to connect, and I was really very happy. At that
Hmm.
time, I was in my class,
Hmm.
but thinking about this session.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
So, of course, because I'm not used to. Uh,
Okay.
Though I have created
Hmm.
a small channel, Bolo English Academy, that is
Hmm.
dedicated for English learning.
Yes, yes.
1 year back, I made some videos, conversational videos,
Hmm.
but I left making, and it happens. It is easy to start, but it
Hmm.
is really hard to maintain
Yes.
the consistency. So,
Hmm.
of course, people say that consistency is the key.
Hmm.
Now, I feel that I must continue this effort in order
Hmm.
to get a number of videos and co-learners, maybe trainer like you. And I see that one day you will be so fluent, so accurate, flawless, that
Like,
everyone will
actually, I
appreciate
have
you.
also a number of questions to ask you, but as we are running out of time,
Yes,
so surely we will connect another day also and
of
keep
course,
on
ma'am. My
talking
pleasure.
another topic also.
Yes, yeah,
Yes,
for sure, for
yes,
sure. I'll be waiting for the another session with you, ma'am. It's
yes.
really very good time for me because before starting the session, I too had butterflies in my stomach that what would happen if once I connected to you.
Yes.
So.
So, how long have you been teaching English?
Ma'am, recently I have started because before this, I've been teaching computer basics to my students, but
Okay.
because I've been passionate about English since long, so that's why I thought that I must teach someone.
Mhm,
Those who are struggling to structure a sentence even. I
mhm,
felt many my computer students asked me, sir, if you could help me even English, then it would
mhm.
be better for us. I
Okay.
thought and I started just. I really enjoying teaching them, and I would say, yeah, literally I'm enjoying the
Mhm.
teaching.